watoto wa miaka 4 hadi 9 ndio sasa wako mbeleni, wanataka kutuletea yale ambao wamejifunza.
Side mics please. Ni poem. It is time for poem. Before you and Magena Central Adventures. Tunafanya haya, msemeni down sawa. Ndio prayer. Before you and Magena Central Adventures fanya drigo.
Before you and Magena Central Adventures ready to present a poem entitled Thank You God. Thank you God for my mommy. Thank you God for my daddy. Thank you God for my friends. Thank you God for eyes to see. Thank you God for ears to hear. Thank you God for feet to walk. Thank you God for mouth to talk. Thank you God for being mine.
Prayer is started, drigo.